Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Are you wondering how to turn on your photo tagging on Twitter but don't know how? Well, don't worry. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on photo tagging on Twitter. So watch this video till the end. First, open your Twitter app. Then tap on Profile that is on the top left corner of your screen. Now tap on Settings and Privacy. On Settings page, tap on Privacy and Safety. On Privacy and Safety page, tap on Audience and Tagging. There you will see Photo Tagging option, tap on it. On Photo Tagging page, tap on it to turn the toggle bar on. When you turn on the photo tagging option, people will be able to tag you in photos and you will be notified when they do so. So that is how you turn on photo tagging on Twitter. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.